This is 15 amp GFCI outlet receptacle. So when I go the test button, the light should come on, and then I need to reset it. So it means this is good, it's working. Now when I press this test button here, I'm unable to press it, like it's not holding. It's supposed to hold, and this light should turn on, but I don't see any light. It's not even holding, and even this reset button. So it means this outlet need to be replaced. This is the 15 amp GFCI outlet receptacle, and it need to be replaced, this part, only this part. So before I go and open this, I need to turn off my breaker so that I cut off the power from this washroom. Before I start any work, I have to do this because it will prevent the shock, electric shock. So let's do it, replace it. Okay, so I got a new switch, GFCI receptacle switch. This is a 15 amp, and the other one I have that Mastercraft receptacle tester. So after I replace this, my new switch, I will test with this. So it has some instruction over there. If these two lights come on, Y1 and Y2, so it means I connect the connection proper. So it's connected. So this is good to have this after you replace your switch to test this. So make sure everything is good. Okay, so I just unboxed the switch. So here is my line wire go here, and this, and the load wire go here. Right here, as you can see, load. This one, load and line, and this is my ground. So now I will use my tester here to test if I did this connection right. Okay, these two lights are on. It means I connect properly. So this is good.